Welcome back, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. Another weekly vlog update of what's been going on over the last 7 days. It's incredibly windy outside, so I'm sheltering here in the greenhouse. Everything's growing nicely here. So regular updates every Wednesday with the vlog style video, and then on Fridays I normally publish a video, a recipe or something a bit nicer. And if you've got any comments or questions, please do leave them in the box below. If you like this video at any point, give us a thumbs up, that's really appreciated. And if you're not subscribed and you'd like to stick around on our journey, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Anyway, sit back, grab a coffee and enjoy an update of what's been going on here at our Baltic homestead. A bit of tidying up, and just found this little fella. He's lost his tail at some point, not today by the look of it. Trying to consolidate all the bits and pieces we've got all around and make where we live a bit tidier. It's turned into a really nice day. The sun's out, the wind's died down, the bees are out. I'm sure you can hear. The bluebells are out. They're not quite bluebells, but whatever they are, they spread everywhere here. All over there. All over there. The seedlings out. My onions need to go in. Some brassicas as well. Peas, lots of work to do, lots of planting. More cat damage. Fortunately, again, nothing planted here, but who's to know? Just unbelievable. I've just had to replant 3 or 4 onions which have been kicked out as well. So I'm going to have to put some kind of cover on this. I don't know. It gets worse every year. Continuing with the chicken shed coop enclosure project. Getting the roof on, recycling some panels that came off the house roof when that was done. Not quite as good as I was hoping they were going to be, but I'll see what I can do. Get the best of the worst. And then the worst of the best, I suppose. And try and see what we can do. Stalk has just flown into the garden. This happened once last year and then it flew away. Well, the dog chased it. I've sent the dog inside and it's perched on top of an electric post, which is interesting, so it might be looking for a nest site. Will we have a stalk this year? It's just a bit of a loner because they're normally here already in pairs nesting. Interesting. Just in the kitchen, sorting out the onions, onion seeds. We've got Muzono, Zabruna shallots, Welsh onions, Spanish white onions, exhibition giant onions, some leeks, and some they're leeks from self-saved seed. And I think some more white Spanish onions. So yeah, I need to take apart all the seedlings and then we'll go out into the garden and plant them later on. So just a few. Right, I'm outside in the garden. It's time to plant these onions and leeks and shallots. And I've got the bed prepped here. I've got my 4 and 5 tooth row marker, depending on what I'm planting. Probably exhibition and multi-sown leeks I do in 4s, and then the Masuno and Spanish white onions and Welsh onions I'll do in 5s, and the Welsh onions, well, scallions if you're in America, or spring onions in the UK, we'll do in bunches of 5s. We'll multi-sow the leeks in 3. Spanish onions I might do in 3s as well. Or might do single in 5s. And what else have we got? Exhibition I'll do singles. Yeah, on shallots I'll probably do in 3s as well. So let's get on and do some planting. Okay, onions, leeks, sorry, more onions, Musano, leeks, and more onions, and Welsh onions. They're all done. And then also I've got the pea frame up and planted some tall peas. They grew up to about, they're called telephon, and they grow up to about 2 meters. So for the first year ever, I think our pea frame might actually be used. So obviously, rather than having that running across the whole bed, I've just shortened it to the length of the tall peas. And then, as we experimented with last year, short peas, field peas, if you want to call them that, which grow, you know, to about waist height, we'll just plant successionally through there and let them sprawl up each other. Maybe put a little bit of support, but nothing quite as elaborate as this. Good day in the garden. Beautiful Monday morning. Just been in the garden, planted some peas. I'll show you that in a minute. And now it's firewood time. More firewood. Yay! Hopefully clear all this up as well. Down there. Start tidying up. Spring clean, I guess you call it. Big old toad. They should be making their way this way down to the lake, but he seems to be going that way. There's a lot about at the moment. Just pricked out all these lettuces, well, not all of them obviously. Got 6 varieties here, 10 of each, but still got lots to do. These are mustards and some celery, yeah. I've just sown a bunch of sunflowers. I've always liked sunflowers anyway, but this year I've really ramped up what we're planting, got lots of different varieties, and they're all now ready, waiting to be germinated. It's Wednesday, May the 4th, and on this day in 1990, Latvia declared its restoration of independence from the illegally occupying USSR, and declared it was against the will of the people, and once again Latvia became free. So today is a national holiday, and that's where we'll leave this week's video. We've still got work to do here, but we're going to hopefully join some friends and celebrate. And obviously this year, more than many other years, it's quite a poignant restoration of Independence Day, bearing in mind world events. So I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it at any point, and do subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I'll keep bringing you more videos and more updates as and when things happen, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. So bye for now.